Hey, what's up, guys? Jarvis Floyd here, right? A lot of people don't understand things about how I get down, right? Work ethic, right? I believe in working smart, not hard, right? So hard work is not what I really want to do, but guess what I believe in? You guys know anything about Kobe Bryant, right? He has a powerful video that just completely changed my life, guys. You guys don't know who I am? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's get excited, guys. Today's a great day. Today I'm gonna get into some things about how hard work works, right? How does hard work work? How does it work when you work hard, right? And sometimes you can work hard and not get success because you're doing the wrong thing. But if you do the right things and work hard, bam! Things open up, guys. I'm telling you right now. I'm not even trying to be funny. Hard work the right way works, right? Denzel Washington had a great speech about this too, guys. But let's talk about Kobe Bryant, right? That's something that changed my life, right? He said something that was so powerful that I just had to say it on video. That's this, right? One thing that he did to get great, right, is he got up at 4:30 in the morning, right? He talked about, in high school too, this is high school, this isn't as an adult, high school, right? He talks about how, you know, like getting up at 4:30 in the morning, he knew his other players and other people in the community got up at like 7 or 8, whatever, usually, and start practicing. So he talks about how he got up at 4:30 in the morning and how over time, like, nah, you can't get up at 4:30 in the morning one day or even 7 days or a month. He did that for years, right? And so he talks about the separation between him and all the other competitors, all the other players, because if you get up at 4:30 and you outwork your competition, so by the time it's 8 or 9 or a.m., they're just starting. He's been up since 4:30 working, taking little short breaks, coming back working, right? You start to notice the separation in his game. And I noticed the same thing with me, with marketing, with basketball, same thing, guys. I will outwork you, right? When you're asleep, when you're up here doing this, Jarvis is probably working. And what happens is that the separation between me and you gets so far apart that after 5 or 6 years, you will never catch me, ever. You can't do it. You know what I'm saying? You're too far behind. So that right there, that principle is something I tell people. I'm not playing, guys. I'm actually on vacation, people think, but not really. I'm in my room working, plugging away. That's what I do. You're not me, I'm not you. But I'm gonna be honest with you, that's what I do. I've been on here in Vegas, guys, for about 5 days now. I haven't went to the strip at all, guys. I'm focused, right? I'm not playing. When I practice what I preach, guys, and I mean what I say. I'm passionate about this because I want you guys, I want our whole team, I want our Phillies community, guys, to be rocking out a year from now. To do that, guys, it's gonna take some work, guys, but yeah, you can have fun and all that, but I'm just letting you know how I do it. Everyone has their own methods and stuff like that, but this is my method, guys, is I'm gonna create that separation to where you will never catch me, even if you try your hard. You can work all day and all night. By the time you work and try to catch up, I'm gonna be too far ahead, guys. That goes for basketball. I was a great basketball player, guys. Really good basketball player, you know what I'm saying? Online marketing, guys. I know so much about online marketing that it's gonna be hard to catch me. I'm telling you right now, like, the whole time I'm on vacation, I'm learning, I'm working. So, guys, I'm saying this to let you guys know that I actually care, and I really care about our Phillies community. I care about you if you're watching this video, guys. If you're ready to join Phillies and take your business to the next level, rock out with some people that actually work hard, that work with you, and actually understand that it takes hard work, and that hard work creates separation to where later on you can relax, like Kobe is now, right? Hard work for a little while and then for years and all that. By the time you get over here, you don't have to work hard no more because you've done it. You've reached the pinnacle. But until you reach the pinnacle, guys, I believe in working, okay? I love it. I love what we do. I love Young Living. I love my whole family, my whole community, guys. Let's rock out this year, guys. Let's take our businesses to the next level. Let's let nothing slow us down. Let's let nothing hold us back, guys. Let's be fearless on video. Let's be fearless in life. And let's take care of our families better than ever before, guys. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Let's go.